Me left here, I jump. That means I now make the money today. Me now send no pic. Me now send no blood clot pic. Go get no woman. I know body picture. I know blood clot body picture. You mad? Me a blood clot idiot. You have seen that in real life. Real blood clot life. And if you make this blood clot stand up, you have to put it down. And only way you can blood clot go down unless me come 2 times. So you go prepare for me fuck you 2 times. So I feel like I rub me down and I cut you get teeth. So that's how me a picnic. Because if I send me with a stiff cocky now when me a big man, me vex. Yeah, you have to go see it in a real life. You have to go see it in a real life. You can't tell me about, oh, this and oh, that. Baby girl, matter of fact, me only 4'6". That's all me not do. Me a big man. Me a big 33 blood clot dear old man. I sit down on blood clot phone and here you fuck. And there you back fish. Me a big man, me not do them mama class sitting there. Me not do them something. If I want to FaceTime me now and play with the pussy and daddy did I watch you on the bonus split, that's okay. Me not have to call and show him nothing. Me not have to call and show nothing. Me not have to call and do nothing. No feed me do nothing. They are foreign. And they say they're there with a Yankee girl. And the Yankee girl never asked them if they have me pussy at a lie, them a tell. Yes, a girl asked me. I want me to take a blood clot deep breath. She said, okay. Come here, tell us, it deep breath and my bumbo clot take fiance and look okay this girl, I know. Mama ball out okay about 7 times before me start blood clot talk. Come here, say no liar. Girl, cut me a burn, you know. Put foot in her ear. I saw this feel like me about him on a blood class. Man, I like this here. Foot in her ear. Point up in the ceiling. I say, me like this a blood class. Put on me foot them. Put on me scarf foot them. I know one of pants me up. Yes, I know one of pants is. Dirty genocide empress. I know one of pants is. Know one of pants is. I say, what a blood class is now. I say, took up me foot away from here, so. Me like this a blood clot. Me don't like it. No, that. Me don't like that. No, them something. I do them both. I come fuck me up there. Me don't do them something. I do me that. Me don't girl. Me don't like that. Me say, me don't like that sitting there. I tell you, me don't like this. Every day my Uber tell me, say, you acting like a child. Yes, me a big. First of all, me can't take rub down. Me too ticklish. I just start. First of all, you can't rub me down. First you can't rub me down. I'm too ticklish. My body is sensitive. Then you go back thing the way I do. No, do me that. No, me not like them somebody. No, do me that. Them you go back thing there. I rub down my foot and twist and in a nipple. In a navel and them blood clot. Me not like that. Me not like that. Me not like that. Me not like that. Me ticklish. Yes. I say this, when you hold me, and this, Then 2 minutes later, my ears get hot. Now do me them something, man. Now do me them something. Put your hand right, just a rope from round here, so. To round here, so. But when you start going a finger point and with a little stunt and round here, so. I mean, I give me a bad boy, I don't like that, so. I mean, I give you. Now do me them something. No, I don't like that. Me a bad boy. You don't feel a bad boy, you blush, so. Them look at the clean up. I don't like that. See that? I got what I said. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. You have to understand. Nowadays, when girl don't fuck and them a walk guy bathroom, hey, me just kick with the girl foot. She them like them something there. Kick with her foot and she drop. And skin out. And just jump in her hole. Me notice and then sit there girl them like, when you have to deal with the girl them rough, when you can't deal with them soft, they don't like they sit there. Girl don't like truth. When I tell the girl say work a blood clot when Dixie she laugh. Say, you tell her say, me and blood clot 50 cent a cousin. And she said, call 50 cent. Love, I cannot talk to you right now. This is business time. You have to call back when it's non-business time. Have a wonderful day. I'll call you back in 15 minutes on my break. Okay, sorry. Yes. I don't know, girl. But me like when he mad. Me like when he mad. When I did, them man I go get mad and blood class shoot, you know. Cause I just feel like gonna get the man them mad. Who they have mad sex. I got to do, you know. But one of them day, them man I go shoot on a blood clot. Cause me tell you no one to do. You know, get up every day. Beach boy, big up yourself. When you get up every day, when you feel like rough sex and rare. It's how the blood clot this. I ain't sitting on no like, you know. I'm telling you what I like. Lava, no come around no bumbo clock bees. You see now what's over here? Let me tell you something what you like again. I saw the cock up in the front of car every day. What you want to eat in a Benz truck? I just want something to drink. I don't drink soda. The time you drink Pepsi like a ass, you know. But you know what, the rich man feel like you have some pussy wall. Can I get a fruit punch or some juice? Because I don't drink soda. I'm on diet. Man, tap again, you know. Man, blood clot tap again. You want something to eat? No, let me get something to drink because I'm on diet. I am on diet. You know what? The rich man feel like your blood clot craving have a wanga blood clot gut. Genocide Empress, go sit down in here, man, in imaginary markets. Because on blood clot mark 2, you have that stop drive from your little picnic. As I was saying now, you know, in a black man car, you're in a little blood clot under a car. What you want for you? You want to go chip for you, you want to go blood clot, you want to go crusty crab, you want to go blood clot, finger, chip from fling, or fling. Don't have four lad here, first me I go, the national city keep, they steam fish bad. Chips and fling and fling, chips, chips and fling, or fling and chips. Sitting in a fling and go on. Who don't want blood clot? Who don't want, last pan blood clot, waterfront, seas front, and consume food. Who don't want blood clot? Who don't want wine and sitting over, you look glissy, because I see the girl drinking over this, you know. With like the sugar or lime around the top of it, a glass, I don't have a straw like on a hot girl. Waterfront, what they call it? Where waterfront, we don't want to go Barma Breeze. We don't want to go cake house, what they call it factory cake. Cake factory, we don't go Miami over Paddy Mall. We don't want to go Versace Mansion. But me just sit down and me just look proud now. And take Shabba, say Shabba call me ASAP. And tell me says I am sick. rich wall a bumbo club 4 for 4 with a bumbo club bacon pop fries. And when we order, tell them say instead of the blood clot 4 for 4 fries, you want the blood clot bacon pop fries instead of the fries there. And tell them your favorite sandwich, I am a rush.
I'm telling you there, man.
How you call you? How the bum buckle up there? Remember me rich, you know?
Bro, I know you're rich, bro. You know, you talk to me, Wait, I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
Why would me a reason ever want to bring up richness against me?
No, why I mean, remember, because you just diss me, I come talk about warm to the youth. I mean, your bum buckle like father youth. Don't ever pass your bum buckle like place. We talk about riches in anybody, I want you.
No. The people in my life can't tell this. It's anytime they are
No, me this Ramesh, you know. Ramesh are richer than me, you know.
No.
Invest.
No,
Ramesh
you're
is
not,
an investor. Ramesh invest in our business. Me can't diss Ramesh too, you know. Me can't diss Ramesh too, you know. Don't feel like me can't disrespect Ramesh, you know. But Ramesh invest in our business. You hear me I say? So me now you feel like invest in them out there. You hear me?
No, you're not hearing me I say.
Go and talk, man. Me I hear man. Go and talk.
Every time I say, yo, Swiss, make me a reason upon the life. You always bring about Swiss Lim rich. Swiss Lim better me never tell us your word like my bad mind we had yet.
Brother, me never say that to you, brother.
No,
because when you talk to me just a while ago, and me see I run behind some pussy like me just a talk about on the live.
So me no see ding dong I talk to you worse than how me I talk to you. Me never say you.
No, but ding dong no richer than me. Ding dong no richer than me. Ding dong I'm more
richer than me. You're not telling him that.
Ding dong. Ding dong talk to me now. Remember me richer than ding dong, you know. Remember the ding dong drive 3, I drive 5. Don't play yourself.
People.
Listen to me. Ding dong have a new 3, have a new 5. Don't play yourself. If ding dong on the live, ding dong hear me too. Remember, I'm rich. Don't play with me. This is the new year. I'm telling everybody I'm rich. I don't want to hear no bullshit from nobody. Thank you. Hey, I want that Ramesh a drive a yard, you know, brother. He just put up rims on and make it look good. I'm glad to tell you that. Remember, my car park itself. You can't do it? My car have terrorlight parking. Don't play my riches.
It got a back camera.
What? It got 7 cameras on the car.
7 cameras.
Listen, you know, said just a while ago, we just text the girl and said about a 5 feet.
Oh.
Yes. Hey, ding dong. You know, say ding dong. Ding dong said me an idol.
Yeah, that's good.
Yo, listen to me. Only somebody in a Jamaica richer than me right now is Busy Signal.
Busy Signal there Jamaica, Busy Signal overseas, bro.
Well, he was a Jamaican, and he's still a Jamaican. Only person richer than me. Christian rich like me.
Bumbo, bro, what kind of money you push? So, boat no richer than you?
What?
Boat.
Boat?
Yeah.
Be yourself, man. Export and export 1 euro.
Bumbo club, bro. Bro, no dog. Bro, my mocha come here, bro. Mind the people them over there. Stop go live. They go live too often. Mind the people them start over there, bro. Me never know I say rich. How much do you think they have on?
Who is the richest person in Jamaica?
Bro, me can't tell you that. Me can't tell you that.
Okay, who you think is the richest person in Jamaica right now?
Him have in a Jamaica or I'm a Jamaican.
Anywhere.
Raheem Sterling is the richest Jamaican.
Excuse me?
Raheem Sterling is the richest Jamaican, no cap.
Thank you.
Yeah.
After Raheem Sterling, who is next?
I will say Usain Bolt. Yeah, who this? Who the you with? Party money the boy a push. Who the you with?
Yo. Swiftly.
Yeah. time, you know. Yeah. I was wondering. After Sterling, who is the richest person in Jamaica? World Dog / Facebook hero. Thank you. Then Usain Bolt. Thank you. Bro, me never know I say rich, bro. Me never know I say rich. I'm gonna tell you how I know you're rich and your money different. I see you give, you even 2 times. I see you give even 2 times, 1 to 7, 1 to 6. I was like, he's creating a history. You see that girl KK Kush, she's gonna be at my party. I'm gonna book her. I don't care. No, listen to me. Somebody just said popcorn. Listen to me. Me I go, listen, because I see that you want to be like that's your dream. I'm gonna stop thief for all these years and let popcorn pass me the riches. Yeah, me popcorn pass me the riches. Yes. You know how much carrot in this? How much? I don't know. Oi. Yo, when I bought this ring, yes, the person that laid the rocks in the ring, yes, they say they lost track of count. Oh, so I tell them said, listen, I don't care the price because we was at action. We was action for the ring. Bro, so can that ring bought a house with 2 cars? Excuse me? Can that ring that you oven with carrots but coldness? I don't hear you. Can that ring buy 2 house with 2 cars? No, I'm not gonna lie to you. Can it buy 1 house? No. Can it buy a car? In America? No, in Jamaica, anywhere, as long as you can buy a car. How much for our markets in Jamaica? Depends on the air, For a 2016 markets, how much for that in Jamaica? 1 point something, you know, dear. Excuse me? 1 point something. Let me calculate something. Alright, go ahead. No, he can't buy a market, I'm not gonna lie. He can't buy a Pro Box? Yes. Alright, that means that's a daring then. That's it. Matter of fact, let me add this to it and go buy a fucking market. No, the one on your pinky finger, how much for that? How much carrot in that? This a lot of carrots. How much? This carrot right here? Yeah. This a 22 carrot, 7 cabbage, 4 lettuce, and 4 tomatoes. Look at it. This, yellow diamonds. How much you did I tell you, say? How much carrot in there? You know, see, I want it for carrot in this, man. We can't tell how much carrot right now, because it's not a lot like this one. This one is carrots. This one is got carrots. So, let me, hold on. This got 20 carrots. So, how much for the chain around your neck, bro? Huh? Your chain. My chain around my neck? How much? Can that buy a house? Yeah, $7,000 US. $7,000. You can buy a house? You can buy a house? Where? In Jamaica. I can build a house. You can buy a piece of land? Yes, it can. You're fucking rich. Listen, you have to understand you got carrots and carrots. So, your ring, what is up? Carrots or carrots? No, this ring got a lot of carrots. This ring, they call it booger. The one on your pinky, what they call it, Google? How do you call it? No, it's not.